Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdekayam Chimthanawala. Today I will tell you something about a remedy. In fact, infrequently used remedy but a very important remedy for a particular condition for which the patient came to me for treatment. Hear the case very properly and the symptoms what the patient told and how the remedy is indicated. How to prescribe on the language of the patient. This patient had come to me after an abdominal surgery. He had done an abdominal surgery, and after the surgery he was suffering from lot of gas problem, lot of stools problem, lot of flatulence problem, eructations problem. He had taken a lot of medicines for it, but there was no relief in his complaints. In fact, he showed to the surgeon also. He gave him some antacid, some digestive tonics and all, but till he used to take tonics he would be marginally better. After he would stop, he was again back to square one, and every day the condition was getting worse. So whenever this type of patients comes to us, we have a very simple a symptom in our mathematics, that is pain in the abdomen after operation. Now when you jump to a symptom and jump to a remedy, you can only prescribe remedies which you know or which you have been taught in your college or which you have heard from a lot of practitioners. That's why we miss sometimes the main remedy that is indicated, because some symptoms, some remedies are fitted in a mind. That's why I always tell, be an unprejudiced observer. Aphorism number 6, organ of medicine. So pain in the abdomen after operation, you must remember drugs like Staphylococcus, opium, Hiparsulf, bismuth, Nux vomica. Very important remedies. Raphanus. But owing to a prejudiced mind, we normally start our prescription with Staphylococcus, then maybe Nux vomica, then maybe bismuth, all common remedies, and then we fail in our practice. So this was the first symptom the patient came to me. What were very obvious. The history he was telling, after operation he had pain in the abdomen. So this was a very obvious symptom. On further asking symptoms, I asked him what are the complaints. He said कि डॉक्टर साहब लैट्रिन बराबर नहीं आती, द स्टूल्स आर नॉट गुड. एक तो आती नहीं, और आती है तो फट से आ जाती है बोले. सी द वर्डिंग्स ऑफ द पेशेंट. एक तो आती नहीं, आती है तो फट से आ जाती है बोले. दैट मीन्स stools, there is a problem, it does not come properly. And when it comes up properly, it comes fatse, it comes very fast. That was a symptom of the patient. After I complete what the patient's language, will try to analyze the symptoms and then repertorize the case. I asked him then, how is the stools? How is the color of the stools? He said the stools are, forget the color, the stools are very large. Large quantity of stools. Sometimes I feel, how come such large stools are coming? I said, what is the color? He said, sir, the color is brown in color. So, a very important symptom the patient told, that is the stools are brown in color and very large stools. Then I asked him something about the flatus. When you pass gas, do you feel better? He said, sir, very important symptom. Whenever there is pain in the abdomen and when I pass gas, the pain increases more. So a very contradictory symptom what the patient told us. A very contradictory symptom, the pain in the abdomen. In most of the cases, when the patient passes flatus, he should feel better. And most of the remedy says pain in the abdomen, better by passing flatus, ameliorates the complaints. But this was a contradictory symptom. Now, whenever the word contradiction comes, of course, we think of one remedy, that is Ignitia, but don't jump to the remedies. First, hear the case from the patient, give him some time, and the remedy will come out. I said anything else, if there is pain after passing flatus, how is the eructation is there? So you have to ask in sequence. So he said that, sir, sometimes there is regurgitation and eructations of food. Food comes up, especially after coughing. Means these eructations and food comes out, especially after coughing. So these were the symptoms of the patient. Of course, the patient's language and what the patient needs the remedy are to be now synchronized. If you see pain in the abdomen after operation, the very important symptom. Second symptom, what the patient told about the stools, are very important symptom. That is, the stools are forcible and sudden gushing. आता है और फट से निकल जाता है, आता है फट से निकल जाता है. A very important symptom, forcible stools with sudden gushing, suddenly gush out, though it is normal but comes suddenly. Third symptom, the color of the stools is brown. And the fourth symptom, a very important symptom the patient told, that is the stools are large. बड़ी बड़ी लैट्रिन होती है. See the wordings of the patients. Stools are large. And again, an important PQRS symptom, that is a pain in the abdomen, is aggravated by passing flatus. Now, if your Mathematica is good, if you have read your Mathematica, I think the remedy should be very clear in your mind. And lastly, eructations of food, especially after coughing. These 4-5 symptoms, very important symptom, peculiar symptoms the patient has told us. There's no need to analyze and interpret, no rocket science. Just see what the patient has told you and then repetize. So if you repetize these 4-5 symptoms, that is the pain in the abdomen after operation, stools forcible and gushing, large, brown, eructations of food, pain in the abdomen, aggravated by passing flatus. You repetize this symptom, only one remedy that comes to your repertory chart, a very very important remedy I have used in practice, and that is Raphanus. Raphanus. Raphanus, a very 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 important remedy. I gave this patient Raphanus 202 doses. The first month he was much better. Next month I gave Raphanus 1 1 dose. In 2 months time the whole complaints were better. He was cured. See, this is how you must prescribe, then how much you must give time to the patient so that you can get the symptoms and then convert the patient's language into the mathematical language, the repertory language, and the remedy comes out like magic. So Raphanus, we have learned today a very important remedy. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.